I remember my first ever review of a phone was of an Infinix. From TechWiz, I'm Martin Givenji with the Infinix S4 overview. Let's take it and go. Infinixes? Infinix. Where? Si tumetoka far. You can watch that TBT here just for just. And here we are, years later, with a brand that continues to spun out a slew of phones. Strangely enough, a lot of them in the Note 12 series in the recent months. We've taken a tour of the top dog, the Note 12 VIP, in our in-depth review and comparison reviews, which you can check out here. This time around, we get our hands on the Note 12i and the Note 12 Pro 5G. Both of these are phones that are affordable. Yes, even the 5G version. And they are both exceptional in their own ways. From TechWiz, I'm Martin Givenji with the Infinixes Note 12i and Note 12 Pro 5G. Let's tech them and go. Starting with the Infinix Note 12i, in the box is a transparent TPU case, a pre-applied screen protector, an 18-watt fast charger, Type A to Type C cable, a pair of earphones, XPARK booklet, Care Plus cover, customer service card, X-Club Join Club card, and SIM ejector tool. Coming in at 198 grams, our Note 12i unit is a snowfall white with matte-like finish on most of the back. The top is glossy with a camera island on the left. It has a Type-C charging port, microphone and headphone jack at the bottom. On the right, a volume rocker and side-mounted fingerprint reader embedded on the power button. And on the left is the slot for dual nano SIM cards and expandable storage. The bottom-facing speaker and the earpiece pumps out plenty of sound for that stereo effect. The screen is a 6.89 LCD with 90 Hz refresh rate. It is fast, responsive, and gets bright enough outdoors. Did I mention that this is meant to be a budget phone? I didn't? Okay, because with those specs, you wouldn't think it was. Here are some even more specs. Under the hood, we have a MediaTek Helio G85 chipset paired with 4GB of RAM, expandable by 3GB of virtual RAM, and 128GB of onboard storage, expandable via a micro SD card. Infinix Note 12i runs on Android 12 and XOS 10.6. The combination makes it one of the speedier, if not the fastest phone in this price range. The phone felt fluid and fast with no lag, and performance was smooth across the board, including running demanding games like Asphalt 9 Legends, Ninja Rush 3, and Call of Duty Mobile at their highest frame rates. Infinix Note 12i has a 5000 mAh battery and supports 18-watt fast charging. That's enough juice to last you 2 days of light use and a full day of moderate use, with you needing to plug in for a charge at the end of the day if in heavy use. You can't ask for more than that from a smartphone in the sub 20k price range now, can you? Infinix Note 12i has a 50 megapixels main camera with an additional 2 megapixels depth sensor and QVGA camera. We have an 8 megapixel selfie camera in the cutout. The 12i shoots solid photos and videos. It will hand in good to great looking results most of the time, even in low light. It handles selfies reasonably well too. Video capture is limited at 1440p at 30 frames per second for the front and the main cameras. Overall, the camera setup remains highly competent. The Note 12i is clearly an improvement and would make for a fine purchase, and the upgrades make it an enticing pick when put against its rivals in the same price range, like the Redmi 10C, the Oppo A55, and the Realme C35. Compared with the rest, the Note 12i ships with the latest Android version, a relatively faster processor, higher video recording capability, and better display with higher resolution and an even higher refresh rate, making it the best performance smartphone under 20,000 Kenya shillings. Before we get to the actual price of the Note 12i, let's check out the Note 12 Pro 5G. When you see the word 5G in the name of a device, your first thought might be to worry about your wallet. Yes? That's certainly not the case with the Note 12 Pro 5G, in as much as it stands at the top of Infinix's mid-range roster with the best spec sheet right below the top dog, which is the Note 12 VIP. In the box, you get a transparent TPU case, a pre-applied screen protector, a 33-watt charger, and a Type A to Type C charging cable, a pair of earphones, XPARK booklet, Care Plus cover, customer service card, X-Club joining card, and SIM ejector tool. The back features a nice design with the Infinix 5G logo at the lower back. It is textured matte at the bottom for easier handling. The top is glossy with a camera island on the left. It has a Type-C charging port, microphone and headphone jack at the bottom. On the right, a volume rocker and side-mounted fingerprint reader embedded on the power button, and on the left is the slot for dual nano SIM card and expandable storage. At the front is a 6.7 AMOLED screen protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. It has a nice screen paired with dual speakers featuring DTS audio, perfect for consuming content. Under the hood is MediaTek's Dimensity 810 6nm 5G processor paired with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of onboard storage. You can expand with 5GB virtual RAM. This is a powerful setup and you'll be getting top-notch performance, and the phone flies when it comes to multitasking and gaming. This is a 5G phone and we got more than the average 5G speeds at Two Rivers, where we were getting speeds of up to 157 megabytes per second. We'll be checking that out more in our review. Strange enough, unlike the 12i, the Note 12 Pro 5G has a 60Hz refresh rate screen. It's not 90 or 120, but it's still not bad. Note 12 Pro 5G has a 5000 mAh battery and supports 33-watt fast charging and juices up from 1% to 95% in under an hour. It has enough charge to last you through the day and some more. The Note 12 Pro 5G has the same 108 megapixels main camera as the Note 12 VIP, but the complementary cameras are switched to a 2 megapixels macro and a 2 megapixels depth sensor and a 16 megapixel selfie camera. The photos look sharp with good contrast and detail, and the colors are bright and have proper saturation levels to share straight to social media. The selfie camera also took above average shots and portraits. The cameras held themselves up even in low light. Overall, the Note 12 Pro 5G has more than capable cameras. The Note 12 Pro 5G is worth considering now that 5G is making inroads in the country, and it is comparatively affordable. Plus, you're getting very impressive features like powerful cameras and the stunning screen. So, how much for these exceptional features on the Note? Infinix Note 12i goes for $19,999, while the 12 Pro 5G goes for $33,499. They're available offline at the company's retail stores countrywide and online too at XPARK, their official online store, and other online e-commerce partners. Is there a phone you'd like us to review or compare to either one of these two? Please comment down below and like this video so that YouTube can recommend it to other people. Till the next one, we done tech it. Now, you go.